Children, today we are going to write CVC A sound words in our English classwork book, page number 6. This is a car. How do we spell car? C-A-R, car. For small c, we will write between the two blue lines. Start little bit below the first blue line. C curve. Touch the second blue line. Go up. For A, C curve. Go up standing. Come down standing. For R, standing line. Go up and a curve. C-A-R, car. C-A-R, car. This is a man. M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. For small m, we will write between the two blue lines, standing line. Go up, curve, come down, standing. Again up, curve, and then come down, standing. A, standing line, go up, and a curve. N, M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. Wag. For small w, slanting line, come down, slanting line, again slanting line. A, for small g, C curve, go up standing, come down standing, and a curve. Wag. Y-A-M, yam. For small y, from the first blue line, slant down. Then again from the first blue line, slant down till the second red line. Y, A, M, yam. Y, A, M, yam. F-A-T, fat. For F, a curve from the first red line, come down standing till the second blue line, and a sleeping line on the first blue line. C curve, go up standing, come down standing. A, start little bit below the red line, standing line, touch the second blue line and a curve, sleeping line on the first blue line. F-A-T, fat. F-A-T, fat. Now children, we have written all the A sound words. So let's practice. For this, we have to write all the 5 A sound words here in a line, for which we will put one finger on the word and start writing. C-A-R, car. M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. Wag. W-A-G, wag. Yam. Y-A-M, yam. A, T, fat.